This video is for engineers working to overcome voiding issues. It will discuss how to reduce voiding through the use of proper process and materials. Dr. Lee, what are some of the problems that voids cause in the solder joint?
Well, void actually causes a lower conductivity in the solder joint. That causes a local hot spot within the solder joint, which in turn causing directly reliability drop. Not to mention mechanically, a void also reduces mechanical strength. So those are the major reasons why the void causing problem.
What are some of the causes of voiding in the solder joints?
The voiding actually is directly caused by the outgassing within the solder joint when the solder is molten state. This outgassing is one source, but there are many things can contribute and aggravate that. Normally, we look into the problem of the voiding. You can have the source as a material. You can have the cause as a process, like the profile. And you can also have the design. Those can all contribute to the voiding. So when you try to eliminate the voiding, you cannot just count on one angle to solve the problem. You have to understand where the other cause can come from, and you have to work on all of them.
Now, you've done a lot of work with regard to void mitigation via the reflow profile. Can you discuss that a little bit?
Yes. When we try to design the material to eliminate the voiding problem of the industry, basically we try to look into first from our material angle. How do we design a material which will not contribute to the voiding? As two factors on that. One is if you can design a material which flux, which will not have outgassing at a higher temperature, you cut out the source of the voiding. Second thing is if you design the flux which is very good at wetting, then the flux cannot hide inside the molten solder joint. Then that's another angle you can solve the problem of the voiding. So we design the flux basically from those two angles, from material side. Then actually another thing we also help our customer about how should they set up the process,
right,
and also how should they design their device that can minimize the voiding from their angle. That's how we do. Yeah.
Very good. Dr. Lee, where can we find more information on how to avoid the void?
We have compiled a bunch of the documents and including published papers in our website, and you can find the help from there. We try to be very helpful to the industry. That's one thing we can try our best. Yeah.
Very good. Dr. Lee, thank you very, very much.
You're welcome.